Good morning students. Prabhatam. In standard 6 today I will learn grammar topic. Okay. In grammar topic we will learn make question. Okay. In English you know how to make question. Who, why, whom, how many, how much, why. Okay. There are so many questions in English. In Sanskrit also we have to make questions. Okay, and there are so many questions. So here the topic is make questions, means how to make questions. Okay, now we will learn how to make questions. First we understand the words. Okay, who, whom, why, how to speak in Sanskrit and how to write in Sanskrit. Okay, now see here questions. Okay, there are so many questions in Sanskrit. First, kutra. Listen properly. Kutra. Kutra means where. Okay, kutra. What is the meaning of kutra? Where. Kim. Kim means what? Okay. Kim means what? Kiyat. Kiyat. Kiyat means how many? Okay. Kati. Kati means how much? Kutaha. Kutaha means from where? Kimartham. Why? Okay. Why are you going? Kimartham. Okay. Now, kaha in masculine form, ka in feminine form, and kim in neuter form. The meaning is same. Who. Okay. See here. Kah, ka, kim. Okay. Masculine, feminine, and neuter. The meaning is same. Who means kah meaning who, ka meaning who, and kim means who. Okay, I hope you understand questions. Okay, putra, kim, kiyat, kati, kutah, kimartham, kah, ka, and kim. Okay, now we will understand how to make questions with these words. How to make question. So are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now first we will see sentences. Okay. First sentence. First we read the sentence. Kisorah Pathshalam gacchati. Okay. Kishore is going to school. Okay. Kisorah Pathshalam gacchati. In bracket you see the question kaha. Okay, in bracket which word? Kaha. So we make the sentence with kaha. Okay, Kisorah Pathshalam gacchati. In bracket which word? Kaha. Kaha means here. Kaha in masculine form. The meaning is who. Who means Kisorah. We put kaha in place of Kishore. Okay, means kaha Pathshalam gacchati. Who is going to school? Okay, understand? Kisorah in masculine form. We put kaha means who. So we put kaha in place of Kishore. So we make the sentence kaha Pathshalam gacchati. And at last we make the question mark. Okay. Kaha Pathshalam gacchati. Now second sentence. Khushbu pustakam pathati. Means Khushbu reads book. Okay. Which sentence? Which word? Kim. Kim means what? Okay. What does she read? Means Khushbu pustakam pathati. What does she read? She reads book. Okay. Khushbu pustakam pathati means Kim. Kim means So here Khushbu pustakam pathati. So we put Kim in place of pustakam. Okay. So we make question Khushbu in pathati and we last put question mark. Okay. Third, Rajeshah क्रीडांगणं क्रीडति. Okay. Rajesh plays in the playground. Rajeshah क्रीडांगणं means playground. Rajeshah क्रीडांगणं क्रीडति means Rajesh plays in playground. Which word? Kutra. So what is the meaning of kutra? Kutra means where. Rajeshah क्रीडांगणं क्रीडति. Where does Rajesh play? So क्रीडांगणं. So here we make the question Rajeshah क्रीडांगणं. We put kutra in place of क्रीडांगणं. And at last we put question mark. Okay. क्रीडांगणं कुत्र means place. 4. रमा प्रार्थना गीतं गायति. Okay. रमा sings prayer. Okay. रमा प्रार्थना गीतं गायति means Rama sings prayer. Which word we make the sentence? Question sentence. Ka. Ka in feminine form. See here, ka in feminine form we put. What is the meaning of ka in feminine form? Who. So here we put Rama. Ka. We put ka in place of Rama, and last as it is you write the sentence. Ka prarthana gitam gayati. And at last you make question mark. Okay. Ka means in feminine form. Ka means who sings prayer. So Rama sings prayer. Rama prarthana gitam gayati means ka prarthana gitam gayati. Okay. Now fifth, छात्रः विद्यालयतः आगच्छति. Okay. छात्रः विद्यालयतः आगच्छति. Here which word we make the question sentence? Kutah. See here, what is the meaning of kutah? From where. Okay. Means छात्रः we put kutah in place of vidyalaya. Kutah agacchati. And at last we make question mark. Okay. Now we come into sixth sentence. विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः एकादशवादने भवति. Means the school begins at 11 o'clock. Okay. विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः एकादशवादने भवति. Means the school begins at 11 o'clock. Here we make sentence with kada. So what is the meaning of kada? Kada means when. Okay. Now we will make question. विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः. Now we put kada. Okay. Kada means ekadashvadane. In which time the school start? Means ekadashvadane. Okay. Kada means when. Okay. विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः we put kada in place of एकादशवादने. विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः कदा भवति? Okay. एकादशवादने timing. In timing we put kada. Okay. Now as it is last sentence you put as it is. Okay. Now seventh sentence. मयूरः वर्षाकाले नृत्यति. Okay. मयूरः वर्षाकाले Nutyati means Mayur dance. Okay. Mayuraha dances at the rainy season. Okay. Kaha. See here. What is the meaning of kaha? Kaha means who. In feminine form, in neuter form, we put kaha, and kaha means who. So here Mayuraha, we put kaha in place of Mayur, and at last sentence as it is we write kaha varsa kale nrutyati. Okay. Now pustakam pustakalaye vasati. Pustakam pustakalaye vasati means books lives in library. Okay. Bracket kim. Kim means here. Kim means who. Pustakam pustakalaye vasati means here we write pustakam, we write kim. Kim pustakalaye vasati. Who lives in library means pustakam means books. Kim pustakalaye vasati. And at last we put question mark. Okay. Now 9 number. Maharshi matul gruham gacchati. Okay. Maharshi matul gruham gacchati. Which we got? Kutra. Kutra means where. So here we put matul gruham means maternal uncle's house. Okay. Maharshi matul gruham gacchati. So we make question. Maharshi matul gruham, we put kutra gacchati, and we put at last question mark. Without forgetting, you have to put question mark. Okay. Because we make questions. Now what should you do? You make questions meaning word 5 times and sentences also 1 time in your notebook with clear handwriting.